Yep, that good old stuff that makes you feel good after a turkey dinner, nice and sleepy, is tryptophan. It's an amino acid that's found in food. This breakdown produces chemicals called indigo, which is blue, and indirubin, which is red. When these two pigments mix in the urine bag, important, the urine bag, they create that purple color. So red and blue make purple. Now, here's some of the foods that are high in tryptophan that you might want to avoid if this is happening to you. So, as I said, the turkey, of course, that's the one that's we think about that sleepiness afterwards. But chicken, eggs, cheese, milk, yogurt, beef and lamb, fish, and pork, all those things also can do that. Now, maybe you say, well, those are all meats. What if I'm not eating those meats? If I'm a plant-based person? Well, a lot of these plant-based things like tofu and soy, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, most of the seeds, nuts, especially the almonds, cashews, walnuts, peanuts, my favorites, legumes, quinoa, oats, and dark leafy greens, even in small amounts. Now, here's one that's really going to kill some people. Dark chocolate. Yes, delicious, but it does have tryptophan in it. Bananas also contain some serotonin precursors to tryptophan, and whole grains are known to cause that. So these are some other foods that you need to kind of consider if you see this happen. So here's what PUBS looks like. As you can see, the bag and tubing are turning this vivid purple. And I mean, it's, as you can see, as dramatic as it looks in this picture, it's that vivid color. So why does this happen? Well, bacteria are involved. The bacteria that produce the enzymes responsible for PUBS are typically ones that we see with urinary tract infections. So sometimes you'd say, well, why don't we just get rid of the infections? You can't do that, folks. When you have a catheter inside, you're wearing a catheter, it's going to get infected. There's no way to prevent it. You've got an open source to allow bacteria to migrate up into the bladder. You want to get rid of the infection, get rid of the catheter. Now, we also know that pH has some play into this whole thing. Normal urine pH, and that's how acidy or non-acidy your urine is. So normally it's between around 4.5 and 8. 7 is kind of no acid or no base.